Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and this is the unboxing and review of a new product from Volta, which is a universal magnetic fast charger. And a quick disclaimer before starting the video that Volta has sent me the product for the review, but this video isn't sponsored by anyone. So this is a completely honest and unbiased review of the product. So the product comes with a very nice carrying pouch for the cable, and inside it you have a charging pin remover and a USB cable with your selected tips. For me, I have chosen one USB-C and a micro USB. USB-C for my smartphone and the micro USB for my neckband. So this is essentially a USB cable with an open magnetic end, and the cable is braided, which I definitely prefer over normal wires. Just looking at it, you can tell that Volta really prioritized build quality, as this is a really well made product. It's got an 18 karat gold copper core plug, which allows it for faster and more reliable charging. This wire also features 3 layers of military grade PVC protection and anti-corrosive nickel plating. All this means that this Volta cable should last you for a really long time, and if anything goes wrong, this product comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, I have to confess one thing, that the convenience you got from this product is a really whole new experience for me, as I have never used something similar ever. This technology kinda reminds me of Apple's MagSafe, but it's way more versatile. You can buy this product with micro USB, USB-C, lightning tip, and not just it, the product is CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. You got a blue LED indicator right on top. It's definitely a really good touch and nice way to have a visual confirmation that the device is actually charging. So from now on, you don't have to manage all the separate chargers for all of your devices, and this can replace every charger and will keep your desk clean. And this cable supports fast charging, so that's a really important thing. I have been using this product for about a week now, and this is something I really use, as I don't have to manage all the separate chargers for every other things, and it really helps me to keep my desk cleaner. So if you like the product, do visit Volta's website for more deals and offers. So that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing for more videos like that. And if you guys have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.